Say hello and welcome. Today we'll guide you through a quick and easy process to transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. Once logged in, go to the Wallet section and select Deposit. Now, choose USDT as your cryptocurrency and select the network you want to use, like TRC20 or ERC20. The network you choose is very important because it must match the one you'll use in SafePal. Copy the deposit address provided. Next, open your SafePal app and navigate to your USDT wallet. Tap the Send button. Here, you'll need to paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Double-check the address to make sure there are no errors. Now, select the same network you chose in Binance, like TRC20 or ERC20. This step is crucial. Choosing the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Once the network is set, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Keep in mind that a small transaction fee will be deducted based on the network. Review all the details, including the recipient address, the network, and the amount. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. SafePal will process your transfer, and you can monitor the transaction status within the app. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on the network. Finally, log back into your Binance account and check your wallet. Your USDT should appear shortly after the transaction is confirmed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from SafePal to Binance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Storyland for more crypto guides and fascinating stories. See you next time.